Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making spaghetti in Bolognese sauce. A pot of boiling water for the spaghetti. To it I added salt and oil. This is to prevent the spaghetti from sticking together. In a skillet, I am going to saute my fresh spices. This is white chopped onion and chopped garlic. I am also going to add freshly grated ginger. I like to eat the ginger when it is grated like this, very fine. I don't like when it is chopped because then you would feel it or you would taste it, and I don't like it. Weird day. Stir the spices until fragrant, then add the ground beef and smash it as hard as you can. No, joke. Just break it gently. I like to add fresh slices of tomatoes, chopped carrots, and there's my tomato sauce. Different types of herbs, fresh and dried. Check the description box below for the list of those herbs. Ground black pepper, salt, and tomato paste. Oh my, these fresh herbs smell so good. I just want you to be in my kitchen so that you smell it too. Now give it a good mix and add whole milk or fresh milk. I like to add milk because it makes it creamier and tastier. If you have a beef broth, that would be good too, but I do not have it at the moment. I am adding a little bit of sugar. This is just to balance the acidity of the tomato. Disclaimer, this is not a sweet sauce, okay, mga pangga? Like in Philippines, we like the sweet sauce spaghetti, right? But no, this is not the sweet one. I am going to simmer this on low to medium for about 45 minutes to an hour. Now the pasta is al dente. Al dente is an Italian word used to describe the doneness of the pasta. Al dente is, in English, means firm. So we drain the pasta and wash it with cold water so to stop it from cooking. If we don't wash the pasta with cold water, our pasta will be smushy and starchy, and we don't want that for sure. So I just leave it like that to drain because it has to be drained. We also don't want a watery pasta. Oh boy. Occasionally we need to stir the sauce so that it will not get burned at the bottom. So this sauce, mga pangga, I would say that this is just an easy Bolognese sauce. Italians, they use beef broth and they add cooking wine. Yeah, so I do not have those, so I'm just gonna do the easy one. I'm covering it with this stainless steel mesh cover so that the liquid will evaporate quickly. Because this lid doesn't have a condensation hole, so all the steam stays inside and it adds to the sauce. That's why I use that mesh cover. After about an hour, dinner is ready. We're just going to add the sauce on top of the spaghetti. Spaghetti is cold, the sauce is hot, so that's okay. Okay, everybody say cheese because we are going to add a lot of cheese. Yeah, mozzarella cheese and parmesan, parmigiano. Yeah, I love it when there's lots of cheese. Oh my goodness, it's so mouth-watering. I can't wait. So mix, 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 and twist, 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 and into your mouth. Yoo-hoo! It is so good. Let me gobble.